department of CSE. Myself, Dr. S.M.D. Farooq, head of the department. So I take this opportunity to introduce the department of CSE. The department of CSE was started in the year 2007 with the inception of the college with an intake of 60 seats. Later, the number of seats were increased to 120. Now from this year, we are having one more specialization in the CSE, that is data science, CSE data science, with an intake of 60. And coming to our department vision and mission, the department vision is to create the students as the creators of novel technologies. So in order to achieve this vision, we are having our mission. So our mission not only concentrate only on the student to make them compete this world. Along with this, we are also concentrating to make our students as a good citizens. So we are encouraging our students to maintain some discipline as well as to be a good citizens, along with having good sound knowledge of technical. So coming to the faculty members of the CSE department. So the department is having around 21 faculty members who are experienced as well as highly qualified. So we are having 3 doctorates in the department and 18 faculty members who are very experienced faculty members. And whereas coming to a few more achievements as well as the other points regarding to the department. Whereas coming to the achievements, the department of CSE achieved many awards. The faculty as well as the students achieved many awards as well as the rewards, and the department bagged many awards during this period. As one of our student bagged gold medal in the 3rd Heroes International Championship of Taekwondo, which was held in Thailand in the year 2017. And one more student bagged gold medal from the JNTU University. So apart from this, the faculty are also bagged many awards during the period during this period. And one more thing is coming to the research and development activities of the department. So most of the faculty members published their journals in very reputed journals which were indexed in SCI, ESCI as well as SCIE and Scopus. And we are having around 15 lakhs of projects were sanctioned from the AICTE as well as UGC, and also we applied many more projects from the funding agencies of the government, and we are expecting a good results from them also. And coming to student achievements, students also bagged many awards, and whenever they participated in cultural activities or any technical symposiums, definitely our students got first or second prizes in these type of competitions. And coming to the sports also, so we are not only concentrating on studies, we are concentrating on the sports also. When it comes to sports, our students represent national level in cricket as well as in fencing and other sports. So this is the brief introduction about the department. Thank you, one and all.